What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. This is second tender of BR17 made by Roco, Deutsche Reichsbahn, not DCC ready. I'm installing sound decoder. Previous videos I didn't document it very clearly, so I'm going to do it right now. Starting with the tender. Yeah, it's pretty much done. LEDs, so resistor right there. It's about, I think, 990 ohms. All right, that's fine. And also I can adjust with decoder some brightness, but that's just fine. So blue wire, I'm not using common, I'm just using pickup. Okay, it's losing like few millivolts, not big deal. Okay, so it's going here to pick up right there, and this is going through the hole, two holes actually, in the cover, and it's made of white metal. Two wires also going through the holes, motor, and those two pickups. I'm going to show you. Here we go. That's the cover, white metal, very heavy, because this is tender operated locomotive. Okay, so decoder is going on top here. This is energy storage, and now I'm going to show you a very important thing. So that's the first locomotive. The concern is if the wires will be hitting by the plastic body. No, it's not gonna happen, because they are not on the way completely. So here we go. Show you one more time here. Okay, yeah, they far away. How I did it, like this. So I'm tracing 5 wires total, 2 for speaker, 2 pickups, and 1 signal for the headlight. All right, I'm just moving them through here. That's original hole, and I make this a little bit bigger hole, and this is just standard hole, the bit I'm using. So 2 more wires, and this is it. So we'll be looking like this. When I put boiler together, so I'll get 2 extra wires. It's kind of tough connection, but that's all DC deal, you know. So pickups, they like bending here like that, and I'm soldering it right there. Same thing here with another pickup, and 1 single wire. I just need to put a resistor here, but I will do it when I'm going to pretty much finish with everything, when I'm on the really final assembly. And here you go. Negative and positive. I thought it will be negative here for the actually positive here for the motor. No, that's it. And the important thing, this top, you need to keep, because on the other side, on the bottom side, there is no, I don't know what's this, like a small niche or whatever. Here you go. Wow, it's a lot of small steps. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Also, I have Patreon page, and you can buy me a coffee. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye bye.